Now let me carefully explain how to fix the media last not find error in CapCut on your phone, ensuring your project files are restored properly. First, let me explain what this error actually is. It means that the application is unable to locate the original files used in your project, such as videos or audio. The application, specifically CapCut, is unable to locate the original files, such as videos, photos, or audio used in your project. Audio files that were used in your project. Now, let's discuss what steps we need to take to recover these files and ensure your project works smoothly again. To prevent this error from happening again, the first step is to carefully restore the files to their original location as often needed. The issue is that you have either deleted the video or the photo. Now let's go into your Downloads folder and check carefully. Let's ensure everything is in place. Check if all your files are present. After that, you should carefully review your gallery to confirm everything is as it should be. Now, as I mentioned, let's find the original videos and photos in your Downloads folder. Because if they're missing, CapCut won't be able to recognize those videos or photos, leading to issues in your project. So, be careful. The main point is that you must not rename any files, as CapCut will not be able to recognize them in any case, unfortunately. You can also simply restart the CapCut app, close it completely, and then reboot your device to resolve the issue effectively. Even your phone can be affected by this issue. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and goodbye.